Sun beats down on fragile skin. Roots stretch far to find a friend. Dusty winds weave lullabies, but hope still glimmers in my mind. I'm a dry season plant held by the breeze, thirsty veins longing for the rain. I'll unfurl my leaves when waters release, and dance again beneath the sky's refrain. Every dawn I taste the air, faint whispers call me to prepare. Though my colors fade to brown, my spirit waits for life to crown. I'm a dry season plant